Welcome back to RenovationX, your ultimate destination for everything: home decor, renovation tips, and lifestyle upgrades. Are you ready to transform your floors into a stunning design masterpiece? You've come to the right place. Flooring is much more than a functional necessity, it's the foundation of your home style, comfort, and overall vibe. In a dynamic city like Dubai, where design trends evolve rapidly, your choice of flooring can redefine your living space, blending luxury with practicality in ways that truly elevate your home. Today, we're diving deep into the latest flooring trends that are making waves in Dubai's interior design scene. From innovative, eco-conscious materials that reflect a commitment to sustainability, to show-stopping finishes that exude opulence, there's something for every homeowner looking to make their floors a centerpiece of design. But that's not all. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern look for your downtown apartment or a timeless, elegant feel for your villa, RenovationX is here to bring your vision to life. With an unmatched selection of high-quality flooring options and a team of experts dedicated to perfection, RenovationX takes the stress out of renovations and delivers results that speak of pure sophistication. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and get ready to explore how you can transform your home's foundation, literally. Let's uncover the secrets to achieving floors that are not only stylish and functional but also uniquely yours. It's time to redefine luxury, one step at a time. Let's dive in. Section 1: Why Flooring Trends Matter. Flooring is more than just a practical necessity, it's a defining feature of your home's overall aesthetic. In Dubai, where style and sophistication are key, your choice of flooring can significantly impact the look and feel of your interiors. Keeping up with flooring trends not only increases the visual appeal of your home but also boosts its value. Whether you're renovating a villa or a modern apartment, the right flooring can make all the difference. So, why does flooring matter? It sets the tone for your entire interior design, enhances the comfort of your space, and reflects your personal style. Plus, with the latest trends, you can achieve both functionality and luxury. Section 2: Eco-Friendly Flooring. One of the most significant trends in Dubai right now is sustainable and eco-friendly flooring. Homeowners are becoming more conscious about the environment and are opting for materials that are both stylish and sustainable. Durable, renewable, and adds a natural charm. Soft underfoot, hypoallergenic, and sound-absorbing, got a unique way to give old wood a new purpose while adding a rustic feel. RenovationX offers a wide range of eco-friendly flooring solutions. Whether you want a rustic vibe or a contemporary look, they have something to match your style while keeping sustainability in mind. Section 3: Luxury Vinyl Flooring. Next up is luxury vinyl flooring, one of the most versatile and popular choices in Dubai. This flooring type mimics the look of natural materials like wood and stone, but at a fraction of the cost. Key benefits include water resistance, high durability and low maintenance, a wide variety of designs, textures, and finishes. RenovationX provides high-quality luxury vinyl flooring that's both practical and stylish. Their team ensures a hassle-free installation process, helping you achieve a polished, high-end look without breaking the bank. Section 4: Porcelain Tiles with Unique Designs. Porcelain tiles have always been a favorite in Dubai, but the latest trend is all about unique designs and patterns. Homeowners are moving away from plain tiles and opting for more artistic options. These tiles are not only beautiful but also durable, waterproof, low maintenance. RenovationX has a stunning collection of porcelain tiles with bold patterns and unique textures. Their team can help you choose the perfect tiles to add character and elegance to your home. Section 5: Wooden Flooring for a Classic Look. Wooden flooring never goes out of style, especially in a city like Dubai where timeless elegance is always in demand. Natural wood floors add warmth and luxury to any space and complement both traditional and modern interiors. Offers unmatched authenticity and longevity, combines style with enhanced durability. Cost-effective and available in a range of designs. RenovationX offers various wooden flooring options and expert advice on maintaining wooden floors, ensuring they remain beautiful and durable for years to come. Section 6, Marble Flooring for True Luxury. For those who want to go all out, marble flooring is the epitome of luxury. This timeless material exudes opulence and works beautifully in Dubai's upscale homes. Advantages of marble flooring: stunning natural patterns, exceptional durability, adds value to your property. RenovationX sources premium marble and ensures professional installation for a flawless finish that turns heads. Section 7, Epoxy Flooring for a Modern Edge. Epoxy flooring is gaining traction for its sleek, modern appearance and practical benefits. This option is especially popular in high-tech or minimalist interiors. Features of epoxy flooring: seamless, polished surface, resistant to stains and scratches. Ideal for garages, basements, and contemporary interiors. RenovationX can customize epoxy flooring in various colors and finishes to give your home or workspace a unique, modern vibe. And that's a wrap on today's video about the top flooring trends in Dubai. From sustainable options to luxury vinyl, unique porcelain tiles, classic wooden floors, marble, and epoxy finishes, there's something for everyone to upgrade their home. If you're planning a renovation, make sure to check out RenovationX. They offer a wide range of high-quality flooring options that cater to every style and budget. Plus, their expert team will guide you through the entire process, ensuring your home looks its absolute best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor and renovation ideas. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy renovating.